Hey everybody, we've got a museum box 2016 baseball for Pat. Have a time, Andy. Trust me, I plan on it a little later once we get into Rookie P. If I do shots and really start to pound beers, oh boy, you're gonna make me get drunk on a Wednesday, bro. I'll do a shot. I'll do a shot if you hop in, sure. You grab some spots and hop in Rookie P and you got it. I don't know about how many shots, plural. Anyone good on the Brewers? There are quite a few decent Brewers prospects, yes. Corey Ray would be the top one. You've also got Josh Hader in this. Isan Diaz. Oh, who was the other guy? They have a Diaz, Corey Ray. I'm trying to think of the other big prospect. There's one other guy that's highly regarded on that team. Orlando Arcia. That's the other one that's up at the top of the list. All right, Pat, here we go, buddy. First pack. Take off autofocus. Good luck, brother. We've got an Arrieta base. Noah Syndergaard. Ryan Braun. Carlos Carrasco out of 199. Meaningful material. Carlos Martinez. 3-color patch. 33 out of 50. I would sell for 10. Freaking Pib. 33 out of 50, Carlos Martinez. Alright, Pat. Alright, Marte, Segura, Oliveira, and Seager. Todd Frazier out of 99. You got your 2 relics out of the way early. Ooh, Todd Frazier out of 99. It's a nice patch, Pib. It's more meaningful than this. Okay. Next up. Nice auto here. On card ink, we got Kutch, Buxton, Puig, Michael Brantley, and the ink is this way. Oy, Greg Holland out of 299. Damn, Pat. Oh, boy, there better be a monster in that last box for you. 41 out of 299, Holland. Archival Autos. Mariners for the Pirates. Oh, he does have Seattle. Yeah, I didn't see that. He didn't propose that, though, so I wasn't throwing that out there. That's a bad box, Pat. I'm sorry, man. Canvas of Frank. Cespedes. See, chat's going to keep the M's. Kenley Jansen. Garrett Cole. And... it's a nice card. Alcides Escobar. Momentous material. 2-color. 6 out of 10. On the autographed jumbo patch. I know, I didn't think it would be Greg Holland, and that's why I said nice auto. I saw Kansas City, I'm thinking, okay, this is going to be Hosmer, Moose, Bo Jackson, maybe Wade Davis. Oh my god, Greg Holland. That's a nice card, though. Alcides, 6 out of 10. He had a freaking hell of a World Series. Hell of an ALCS. I think his ALCS was better than his World Series. Nice, Nick. Royals fan right there. So 6 out of 10. A little bit of a box saver there, Pat. That was still kind of rough, though, brother. Sorry, man. Alrighty. To Rookie P we go. If anybody else needs singles, just go ahead and order them, and we'll do them at the next break. Did his World Series suck? Okay, I couldn't remember. I know his ALCS was ridiculous. We couldn't get him out, man. Could not get him out. It was nuts. What do you hit, 500 or something like that against us? You gotta pass. Sorry, man. That was a rough freaking museum box. Damn tops. Down to F minus? Damn it. Okay, just a second before we start. Minutes. We are starting 2:32 now. 2:33 is late break. I can type. 300 price, 35 value. No peaks and valleys? I can remember one peak for you, Joe, back in the day. Richard, I just saw your text from earlier, brother. Sorry about the raise. I would have replied sooner had I seen that. I do, Joe. It was a bomb. So mean. He's so mean to me.